Hello boys and girls, we are working on lesson 96 in our Saxon math book, and it says to draw a 3 1/4 inch line segment. So remember, we're going to go 3 whole inches, maybe, if I can scoot my ruler over, 3 whole inches and then a fourth. Half of a half is a fourth, so I go halfway between the half sign and the 3. Measure this line segment in inches. So I would say it was 4 and past a half, so it's 4 3/4 inches. Use the map to answer the question. How many miles is it from West Haven to New London? Number sentence. So I'm looking from West Haven to New London. 22 miles plus 25 miles. What is 22 plus 25? Well, there's 2 plus 2 in the tens place, 2 plus 5 in the ones place, and there would be no regrouping, and it would be 47 miles. Write 720 using digits. What are these smudged digits? I need to know what 5 times 7 is before I can begin. 5 times 7 is 35. So 2 plus 1 would be 30. 1 plus what equals 5? 1 plus 4. What is 35 divided by, or 350 divided by 10? It would be 35. Remember, these zeros just cancel each other out. And then you have the identity property. So, what times 7 equals 35? 5 times 7 equals 35. Ronald has 90 cents to spend. Find 3 different combinations of things he can buy. How much will he spend for each combination? Well, if he has 90 cents, let's start with the biggest. Could he buy an orange and a peach? No, because that's too much money. Could he buy an orange and a banana? 50 plus 30 would be 80. 4 plus 3 would be 87. So he could buy an orange plus a banana. And I'm going to go ahead and put what I'm going to abbreviate them as. Could he buy an orange and an apple? Let's try. Orange plus an apple. Orange would be 54 plus 29. Now this I'm going to have to regroup. So 9 plus 4 would be 13. So I might just write this over to the side. 13, I'm going to carry my 10. 1 plus 2 plus 5 would be 83. 83 cents. Now, maybe I want to do something with a peach. Do you think I could do a peach and an apple? Let's try it. 47 plus 29. 7 plus 9 would be 16. I carry my 10. 1 plus 4 would be 5 plus 2 more is 7, and it's in the tens column, so it would be 76 cents. And so that was a peach and an apple. Could I buy more than 2 things? Could I buy 3 things? The way you would try that would be to add up all your smallest numbers, which would be peach, banana, and apple. So all I would really need to do would add banana to this. Could I add this and be less than 90? No, because 7 plus 3 is 10, and that's already above 90. Show 11:37 on the clock. 11:37. So I'm going to begin with the 30, the minute hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. So my minute hand's going to go here. And it's 11. And we're past this halfway mark, so it's going to be halfway between the 11 and 12. 11:37. Estimate the length and width of your desk in feet. Well, how much is a foot? A foot is 1 ruler. So what do you think a desk would be? How many feet are in 1 yard? Many of you may have seen a yardstick. A yardstick is approximately 3 of these rulers piled on top of each other. So there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Find the answers. 46 take away 28. I'm just going to write my 28 below this. I cannot take 8 from 6, so I will borrow from my 10s and give a 10s to the 1. 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 71 minus 34. I cannot take 4 away from 1, so I'm going to borrow from my 10s and give a 10 to the 1's place. 11 minus 4 would be 7. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 32 minus 8. Make sure to line up your place value. I just realized I wasn't showing you my work. Line up your place value. 8 cannot be taken away from 2, so I'm going to borrow from the 10's place. 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus nothing is 2. So my answer would be 24. And that concludes today's lesson.